Hi, and welcome to another edition of Lee's Thoughts. And today a vendor sent me another product, and this is a paid review. Let's get straight to it. It is the Clean Ride Kings extendable car duster. This thing is awesome. This is a dry duster, needs no water, and the fibers are covered with wax. So you need no water, and it just dusts the dust off of your car. We live in West Texas. We currently live in West Texas, so we got dust. Oh yeah, we already cheated and have used it. So the first thing that you can pull out of here, first thing you have is a duster, and I will just open up this car here, and if you zoom in on that dash there, so you see that dust there? Look at that. That thing just sucks that dust right up. But look at how I got that dust up. All right, these fibers are coated with wax, and so you can just shake those out and it just sheds that dust right away. And then you have the car duster, and it's big, and you just simply click that on there. It extends like that. I can edit all that. It extends out for longer, so if you want to get up on top, and then you can go up here, Susie. You want to get up here and get your sunroof dusted. See how it's dusted now? And it is extremely dusty, but look at how it's getting that window. Beautiful. See that window, that dust on that window there? And we have dusty conditions here. Go for that. Look at that, get that window. And it just cleans that window up, dusts that window up nice. Gets that dust. Beautiful. And dusts it without scratching the surface. That's the best part. Best part is no scratching, no water needed. And it just dusts that surface beautifully. There you go. So, get yourself the Ride King dry duster for your ride. Dust with no scratches.